Viking Pump's GB-410 series pumps are engineered specifically for the tough conditions on glycol dehydration units. With a 350-degree Fahrenheit temperature rating, 225-degree thermal shock capability, enhanced wear resistance, and dry run capabilities, your dehydration issues will be much simpler. The GB-410 series also offers easy installation, maintenance, and a rebuildable design. Built and tested in Viking Pump's state-of-the-art facility in Cedar Falls, Iowa, you can depend on the GB-410 series to handle the rigorous demands of your dehydration unit. Designed for an easy, mess-free drop-in replacement, the Viking M-Drive saves valuable time on pump installation. To install a GB-410 series pump, just follow these easy steps. First, align the pump with the motor mounting bracket and attach the 4 mounting cap screws. The cap screws should be evenly torqued to the applicable values in the chart. Then, place the pump coupling hub and key on the pump shaft, making sure to follow the coupling gap dimensions found in your technical service manual. Then, tighten the hub set screws. Next, align and place the height trail spider on the seat of the coupling hub that has been secured to the pump shaft. Now, place the motor coupling hub on the motor shaft and key. Make sure to follow the coupling gap dimension requirements. These values can be found in the technical service manual. Then, tighten the coupling hub set screws. At this point, visually align and rotate the motor shaft so that the coupling will fit securely with the spider. Now, mount the motor mounting bracket to the motor face, ensuring that the coupling hubs align. Check alignment through the access on top of the mounting bracket. Tighten the cap screws to the applicable values in the chart. After all bolts have been torqued, rotate the coupling to ensure that it turns freely. Once the pump, motor mounting bracket, and motor are fully assembled, replace all safety covers. Your pump is now ready to be put into service. For more information regarding the installation of the GB-410 series glycol dehydration pump, visit our website at vikingpump.com/glycoldehy.